I'm in. Oh, I got out by accident. Dip, back in.
Alright. We got a goddamn gas station. Oh my god!
Oh,
There's no fucking way, dude.
Are
I was
you
wondering if I was just seeing
serious?
that or if that was actually about to happen. You
Uh-oh, Josh is piloting. We don't have self-reference.
Somebody else
self
take
revival.
over. We just hop out and fucking dive in on it.
I have a self in case you blow it.
Or should I land it?
Well, let's get close. Okay.
Yeah, drop
Go
out
to
now.
the right.
Target is
Hang on, let's try and get a sight on him here.
You see him? Oh, I saw one behind that wall. Lower than my ping. You see him? They're getting in the car. They're getting in the truck. They're getting in this truck right here.
I do see him right here.
Knocked one. I'm the fucking goat, bro.
Hit the
I'm
blue place. He
literally
jumped
the
out. He
greatest
jumped
of all
out. He's
time.
tipping.
Get him.
Literally the greatest of all
Cracked
time.
him.
Get him, dude. He's diving.
He's down.
That was sick.
I am actually the goat, boys.
Ultra One, nice work.
That's fucking
I
tough.
was so far away from that guy. Holy fuck.
Ultra One, make it to Xville again, and we'll make it worth your while. Good hunting.
Did you guys finish the guy that went down back here?
Yeah, we killed him.
I don't know if I finished him off. He seems to be dead.
Yeah, he's right here.
Ammo here!
He was dead indeed.
Loading AP rounds!
Sometimes, dude, I blow my own mind.
Looking dope sniping people out of the helicopter.
That was so sick. That looked so tight from the pilot
Big game
seat.
hunting, dude. Like moose hunting out here.
We
Dude.
should do that again.
I'm down.
I'm getting some flight practice in here, boys.
Go.
And mark a gas station for me.
Keep going up. Keep going
I'm
up.
going up. I'm going up. I'm going up.
They're extracting right here.
Also, we could pull up around like, oh, helicopter.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna pull you guys right up to the back of the helicopter.
Just
Keep these
blast
kids
them
while
while
they're
they're
trying
extracting. I hit him.
Whoa, I'm getting shot, Drew.
Yeah, you are, bitch.
You like that?
Whoa.
You like that?
I get
Get closer.
Oh, they're gonna get out. They're not
That
worried
was
about
so funny.
That was super fucking. They're
Once
like,
the helicopter
whoa.
leans forward, there's no way we're gonna be